Hello, Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today for several things. One, I have a Tuesday morning haul. Two, I have a Tuesday morning stash bash. And three, I have that 3,000 subscriber giveaway at the end, so stay tuned for that. So let's start with my latest Tuesday morning haul. That's gonna fall, so I'm gonna stick that back down here. Just a couple of goodies. I do wanna mention that, yes, there was the Black Friday special. It is the Tim Holtz stamp platform and the the neoprene sleeve for it. I am not interested in that. I did not buy it, neither of the objects. My store does have it. I just wasn't interested in it. It's not up my alley. But this stuff is up my alley. So I found some more Vicki Boutin goodies. Yay! So I got for $3.99, and it's hard to read that product locator number there, but I'll also read it to you. It's 2037082. So that is the silver glitter set that has the 3 different types of glitter in it. You've got the mica flakes, the glitter, and the glass glitter. So I am excited about that for some mixed media goodies. And then I also got the stamp and die set for the circles that does very much look like the Bo Bunny ones that I got a while ago, but I just love the different size circles, and they will go very well with the different Bo Bunny ones. There's actually only 3 circle dies, and it shows you there which are the dies, but what you can't see are those stamps there. So I am excited about that, and there is the product locator number for that. I also got these Bo Bunny snowflakes. I am a snowflake hoarder. I have every size, shape, snowflake stamp and die that there is. So of course I had to add these to my collection. That is the product locator number there, and that is $2.99. I also got the flower garden stamps. I love these. They look like doodle drawings, also $2.99, and that is the product locator number for that. I also found some of the layered chipboard from Bo Bunny. There are the 6x6 paper pads, and there were other layered chipboard. I don't need to buy things just because it's a good price. I bought them because that is of interest to me. Product locator number for $1.99. And last but not least, I did find the Maggie Holmes Flourish 12x12 paper pad. I'll show you the product locator number, I think. So $6.99 for that, and then I'll do a flip through of, I love those houses. Whoops. Florals, the quail, tickets, the blue and white, peacocks, lemons, bugs, and then it repeats through again. So, and what you can't see is that peacock, that one piece. Everything else is small, but that one piece, so that is kind of like a Monet water lily pattern. And then where's the peacock? Of course I'm not going to find it. Hold on, I'll get it for you. There you go. There is the peacock. I'm not sure what to do with that, but yeah, that just might not get used. But for $6.99 for the whole 12x12 paper pad, that was a good deal. So that's my latest Tuesday morning find. Now, I have some pictures of my daughter last year at her cotillion Holly Ball. And I wanted to show you what I pulled together. And the video should be up in about a week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on how long it took me to get this done. So these are the photos. So this is the same photo. It's my husband and my daughter doing a selfie. And I cut it down, I printed it also 3x3 because depending on how this works, I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to get all 4 on there the way that I want to. So I may be able to use these 3, and this is really the only picture that I could get down to 3x3 without chopping off too much of their bodies. I could have done this, but then you wouldn't have seen her shoes, and I like the effect of that. So I may cut this down using these We Are Memory Keepers square dies that I got from Tuesday Morning. But I chose, of the different Echo Park paper pads that I picked up from Tuesday Morning, I chose this 'Tis the Season collection to go with it because there's a lot of black. In her dress is red and black. My husband's suit is actually black, which is hard to tell in this picture because of the way that I've edited, but his suit is black. And it actually may be a blue black, but I like, with the darkness that's in this, I liked this particular collection because it had the black and it had the green from the grass and it had the red from her dress. So that is why I went with that collection there. And so from all of the goodies that I got from Tuesday Morning that are Christmas, what I did was I pulled everything that had those color schemes in it. This has craft in it, so I may not end up using it, but it does have the red and the green, and I thought maybe that might add another different element to it. These have all of those colors as well, and it's also Echo Park. It's just a different collection, but that's part of what I love about Echo Park is you can mix and match things really, really well. So this is from that same collection, some bows, because, you know, bows are festive at Christmas time. What else did I really liked these snowflake tags, and I liked that gold that's in there, but they orient one way and I'm not sure that that's going to work, so we'll see how that goes. And then I got these 2 things from American Crafts. I pulled them, they're coordinating. I really thought that if I use this photo as a square, that photo, they're upside down, I know, but it's so that you can see that those 2 together might make the same 6-inch high shape that I was looking for, rectangle, but not be quite so wide to compromise and solve my space issue on the layout, maybe. And so I really liked the tags that are on that too. So I have a lot of tag options for journaling and telling the story. I also like to layer behind my photos, but this is going to be a 2-page layout. So I also was tempted by that there from crepe paper. So my thought was that I would layer something like that, or maybe something like that with the bag poking out from the side, and then I could get journaling in there so I can make sure that I could tell the story. I'm not sure. So that is the kit that I put together from Tuesday Morning for this 2-page layout that I am going to work on. Hopefully this week. It may be next week because of Thanksgiving, but it'll definitely be coming up soon. And the moment you have all been waiting for, my 3,000 subscriber winners. So first comes first, we have Caroline Steele. You are the proud owner of these Ink Road stamps and these Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequence. Next up, we have Grumps 101, you are the proud owner of the Pebbles cardstock shapes, the illustrated Faith tabs, the stamps from Dear Lizzie, and the illustrated Faith enamel hearts, woot woot, which leaves the last prize for ACJ's mom. You are the proud owner of a 25 gift certificate to scrapbook.com. So if you could all please DM me in Pinterest or email me. All of my contact info is in the right hand corner up there. Be sure to contact me. You have a week to do so, and I will get those things out to you. And ACJ's mom, that is going to be emailed to you, so I only need an email address. These 2 ladies, I'm going to assume ladies, yes, please send me your snail mail address so that I can get these things out to you. Thank you so much for stopping in today. I hope everybody's doing well. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Take care.